In this video, I'll show you how to receive payments as a freelancer on PayPal. If you conduct freelance work from clients within your country or abroad, you can easily receive payments through your PayPal account. Now, by default, in order to send anyone money or in order to receive payments, you need to provide your email address. Transactions on PayPal are done through email address. So by default, your client can easily send you money through your email address. But for a professional approach, you can also create a paypal.me link. So inside of PayPal, you'll be able to see the option called paypal.me. If you don't see this section, you can type in this link, which is paypal.com/paypal.me, and you'll land on this section. This is a link that lets your clients know that this is the right account, which is a unique account, which also displays your picture. Click on create paypal.me profile. You can also add in a picture. Click on add photo and upload your photo. And then you can create a custom link. So you can create your custom link, type in any link that you want, make sure that is memorable. Now, some links may be taken as people have already added in that particular link. Each link needs to be unique. So you need to create a unique link that no other people have taken. If the link is available, you can click on next, agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on agree and create. And that's it. Your PayPal link now has been created. You can easily share that particular link to your clients to receive payments through a professional way. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.